2026 is not just another movie year. It's shaping up to be one of the biggest cinematic year of this decade. We are talking about massive superhero events, legendary director returns, long-awaited sequel and movie that could completely change cinema. So today I am counting down the best upcoming movies of 2026 that you absolutely cannot miss. Let's begin. Number 10, Moana. Disney is bringing Moana back, but this time in live action. The original animated movie was global hit because of its emotional story, beautiful ocean visuals and powerful music. Now in 2026, Disney is betting big on nostalgia once again. The bigger question is, can live action Moana match the magic of original? With modern CGI and massive budget, this movie could either become Disney's next biggest success or face the same criticism as other live action remakes. Either way, people are very curious and that alone make it one of the most anticipated film of 2026. Number 9, The Project Hail Mary. If you love The Interstellar or The Martian, this movie is for you. Project Hail Mary is a sci-fi thriller starring Ryan Gosling based on best-selling novel. These stories follow men who wake up alone in space with no memories and slowly realize he might be humanity's last hope. What makes this movie special is deep science, emotional storyline and realistic space survival. This could be one of the smartest sci-fi movie of this decade if done right. Number 8, The Odyssey. Whenever Christopher Nolan released a movie, cinema changed. In 2026, Nolan is adapting The Odyssey, one of the greatest epic story ever written. The film promised mythology, war, adventure and Nolan's signature mind-blowing visual. If you think Gladiator meets Interstellar, you are not far off. This movie is expected to push practical effect, deliver massive action and feels like a true cinema experience. Definitely a theater only movie. Number 7, 28 years later. The legendary zombie universe returned. 28 years later continue the terrifying world that began with 28 days later. Why fans are excited, dark realistic horror, survival force storyline and grounded zombie realism. Unlike flashy zombies movies, this franchise focus on fear, hopelessness and human behavior in collapse. If done properly, this could be one of the scariest movie of 2026. Number 6, The Super Mario Galaxy movie. After the massive success of Super Mario Bros. Movie, Nintendo is going bigger. The sequel is expected to explore space, introduce new world and bring even more iconic character. Mario movie are no longer just for kids. They are now family blockbuster, nostalgia bombs and box office monsters. This film could dominate global box office in 2026. Number 5, Spider-Man Brand New Day. Spider-Man returns with a flashy new chapter. The emotional ending of No Way Home, Peter Parker is alone, forgotten, starting from zero. This movie is expected to show a ground-level Spider-Man, more street-level action and dark personal journey. Fans are excited because this feels like true Spider-Man roots without replacing the action. Marvel really needs this movie to succeed. Number 4, Dune Messiah. The Dune saga continues. After Dune Part 2, expectations are very high. Dune Messiah explore power, religion, political control and the cost of being a chosen one. This is not just a sci-fi, it's psychological cinema. Visually stunning, emotionally heavy and dangerously relevant. This movie could divide audience, but it will definitely be talked about for years. Number 3, Avengers Doomsday. This is where things get serious. Marvel's Avengers Doomsday is being set up as a massive crossover, a turning point for MCU and possibly a soft reboot. After recent criticism of Marvel films, this movie must bring back excitement, deliver emotional stakes and remind fans why Avengers movies matter. If Marvel get it right, it could revive the entire franchise. If not, MCU might never recover. Number 2, Ready or Not 2. Horror fans know how underrated Ready or Not was. The sequel premieres dark humor, brutal suspense and unpredictable twist. What makes it exciting is it's not a lazy sequel. It's built on the original concept and expand the universe. This could become a cult horror franchise if executed well. Number 1, this movie isn't just film, it's an event, a movie that will dominate theater, break records and define 2026 cinema, whether it's Avengers Doomsday, Dune Messiah or Nolan's The Odyssey. One thing is clear, 2026 is going to be insane for movie lovers. So this is where the best upcoming movies of 2026. Now I want to know which movie are you most excited about. Comment below and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with fellow movie fans. And I will see you in the next video.